Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix network profile not showing windows missing. We will start by opening the registry editor from the search box with regedit. Click Yes to authorize. After this, you will go to the path that you see on the screen. In this section, click on Profile Name to verify that it is your current network. After that, double-click on the category value. Now, in the value information field, you are going to assign the number 1. Click on OK. Finally, to wait for these changes, you will reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.